happens when nature meets the future. It creates something extraordinary. Welcome to Dakshin, Gurugram's X Factor. Dakshin isn't just another project. It's a rare integrated township designed for a seamless balance between work, life and nature. Let's know more about this project. Strategically located amidst prominent commute corridors, Dakshin offers unmatched facilities and amenities. An integrated township where everything you need is within walking distance. Yes, best-in-class infrastructure and thoughtfully planned social amenities. Proximity to 4 major highways ensuring effortless inter- and intrastate connectivity. A proposed metro route from Bhonsi that enhances intercity travel convenience. Inaugural prizes designed to maximize your investment returns. 24/7 unrestricted commute and trade possibilities, making Dakshin a round-the-clock destination. Dakshin is a mini city where opportunities abound. It's your lifetime chance to grow your wealth and elevate your lifestyle. Spread over 43 plus acres, Dakshin's employment hub is thoughtfully planned to accommodate plot sizes ranging from 550 square yards to over 2400 square yards to meet diverse business needs. Opportunities for startups and small ticket investors ensuring optimal price points and high returns. Flexibility with unit combinations catering to the requirements of a variety of users. In addition to the employment hub, Dakshin offers 25 plus acres of residential spaces ensuring a vibrant and socially cohesive neighborhood. 3.5 plus acres of luxury retail spaces designed to target tenants from surrounding markets offering better facilities and amenities. Far from the city's cluttered commercial zones, Dakshin provides IT/ITES plots that meet the unmet needs of end users. A 6 lakh square feet commercial hub where growth becomes a reality and investments multiply. South Gurugram has rapidly transformed into a real estate hotspot. Thanks to its strategic location, it enjoys seamless connectivity via Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, KMP Expressway, Gurugram-Sona Elevated Road. From Dakshin, you're just 20 minutes from Golf Course Extension Road, 17 minutes from Subhash Chowk and 22 minutes from Rajiv Chowk and Dwarka Expressway Cloverleaf. With proposed metro extensions and the RRTS project, commuting will be faster, smarter and stress-free. The numbers speak volumes in South Gurugram. Prices have increased by 20.5% in the last year alone. 5 years, the region has seen an astonishing 137.3% growth. Independent floors have witnessed a 39.2% price surge in just 3 years. Dakshin isn't just an investment, it's the opportunity of a lifetime. Dakshin caters to every phase of life, offering outdoor play areas and sandpits for children, game arenas for teenagers to socialize and unwind, yoga spaces and lush parks for seniors to relax and rejuvenate. Here, life thrives across generations. At Dakshin, nature takes the center stage. 52-meter green boulevards provide a refreshing environment. Butterfly gardens and Miyawaki forests create serene spaces to connect with nature. And the Aravalis, they're not just a view, they're your everyday escape. Luxury is a way of life at Dakshin Club Anandam that features